Hey everyone, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. Today I have a PS20 in front of me. Let's crack this thing open up and find out what's inside. So top and front, we're good? Yep, just...
That's the way I do it.
I don't want to like break the front of it. All right, now that we have this open, you'll notice that you'll have the accessories inside with it. Now let's pull all the accessories out, unwrap the machine, and then get a second person to help us carry this thing out. Now the machine is kind of heavy, so you're going to want to get some help unloading it. I have Jose here to help me out, and we're going to take this thing out of the crate. All right, now that it's out of the crate, let's unwrap it and check it out. So now that we have it out of the crate, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is check to make sure there isn't any damages that might have happened during shipping. Once you've gone over all that, you can open it up and check it out inside. You should have a toolbox, your quality checklist, as well as the honeycomb already in the machine. All of our Pro Series machines are quality checked by technicians. You do not need to do any alignment of these machines before you use it.